All right, we'll recap. Getting into it. I don't know what this is. Where are we? Where are we? Where is this? Is later in the day. Okay, here's the trades we took today. The account. Let me get this up real quick. The account is down $543 today. Total down is, I don't feel like doing the math in my head. Okay, hold on. 50,000 minus 4915.44. We're down 884.56 on the account. And you might be like, holy crap, what are we doing here? Honestly, I don't know either. No, I'm just kidding. A lot of revenge trading, because I hate to see that, I lost and everybody else won. So today's trade was kind of a signal bot trade. I did follow most of the day with Blake and PB Trading. So I followed him and Pat talking about it. Pat went long on this. Blake went short. And for me, my original fill was, I think, let me take this off, right about here. Okay. Get rid of this because there's no point of this. This inverse. I think my fill was right about here on the first one, and break even was still here. And then Blake's stop loss was, I believe, up here. I believe it was right there like that. So that was his trade. But the only reason mine was not like this is because when I entered, I saw that the stop loss was way up here. And I was like, okay, shit. I really can't afford to take that kind of loss because that would be more than $500 on my account, which is more than 1% loss, and making it to where I would have to lose, like if I took an 800, if this went straight up, then it would have been horrible. So I kind of thought about that. I asked a bunch of people. They didn't really answer me on it, but in my Discord, Elm Trade, and I think, dude, you change your name so much. I think his name's Isaac. He helped me, or they both helped me, and I was asking them, so if Blake's take profit was here, do I put mine there as well? Or do I put it to where, like, the max I can lose is $500 to stick with my risk management? Now, the only reason why I asked that is because back when I was signal botting like a mug on TJR in his Discord back in like 2021 or so, I had a big issue with that. I would have, these funded accounts that I'm trying to pass on eval, and I would put his stop. I'm like his shit would be like up here, and then his TP would be like way down here for 1.15. But that's huge range. That's huge. So, okay. Come on. So I would only have mine here, for example, mine would be here, and then his would be here, and it would like come down this way and then go back up, hit my stop loss, and then go straight down to his take profit one. And then I get basically just screwed. So what am I even getting at? That was my biggest issue when I was like really trying to figure out how to use these prop firms and stuff like that. And now that Isaac and LM Trade kind of explained, here's exactly what they said in the Discord when I asked them. Elm Trade said, yeah, point of stop loss is to be placed in a spot where your trade would not be valid anymore, like a liquidity or something like that. You know, bottom of fair value gap, whatever, wherever it is to make it invalidated. If I'm putting it at the risk, it's not always going to be the best trade because the trade was not invalidated. Blake took this, his break even take profit one spot was right here. I would have hit that. And with my entry, I wouldn't have gotten what's it called? Or what am I trying to say? I wouldn't have gotten stopped out at break even. So if I was in for two contracts, and I'm pretty sure I took one and then I got FOMO'd because I thought it was going straight down, so I took another one right here, and I still wouldn't have gotten stopped out. I'm pretty sure his was here or something like that. I'm not entirely sure, but he got stopped out at break even, I believe, right after he got hit with break even. He got ticked and then got stopped out at break even. TP1. He hit TP1 and then got stopped out at break even. But anyways, these other trades was me FOMOing in. I took another one here, took a loss here, and this one I was like, I could probably make a quick like $60 back, and that's exactly what I did. Is I just shorted this candle and got out, and then the trade played out like this, way out here. I know Blake was real upset about it, but I lost. Let me see what I lost on that trade exactly. The first one I lost 260, took another. No. Hold on. So we entered here. Let me zoom in real quick. Let me see if I can get this exact actually. 21,559. 21,559.75. Entered there for the first contract. So this was my 1-to-1. Just trying to make it 1-to-1 as much as possible. So that's where I had mine right there. Got stopped out there. No, sorry. Entered again after like not even a minute of being in the trade. Like 30 seconds after, I got another one at 21,560.25. What a waste. So we entered there as well, trying to just get two contracts in. Got stopped out for both right there. Minus 260 on one contract, minus 250 on one contract. So there's a loss of $510. Okay. And then we come over here. We enter another contract at 21,563.5 right there. Keep the stop at the same spot, I believe, or 1-to-1. And I saw it going up, not the way I wanted it to, and so I got out right here for a loss of $70. And this one would have played out. The reentry would have definitely played out off of this 1 minute fair value gap right here. Dude, what a joke. Just shitty trading from me. Oh my gosh. Rewatching this is just, or redoing this thought process and everything is just awful. Because that would have played out. I would have hit TP1. I only got one contract with this one. So I would have been out here anyways at full. But probably made my half back. So I only would have lost $250 today. I'm still not too pressed about the loss of $500 because today was the loss of $543. The account is down, I believe I said what, $800. So we're still able to, yeah, $884.56. So we're still able to pretty much lose 2 more days in a row. The odds of that happening are pretty low. We do have good news tomorrow, CPI news at market open. No, way before market open, an hour before market open. All this news. Okay, hold on. Yeah, so all this news, and then about an hour after open, we got crude oil. It doesn't really freaking matter. So yeah, just a shitty day. Currently looking towards PM session trades. I thought us sweeping previous day low would be a good time to long, which I guess it was in turn, but we did not get any sort of fair value gaps or anything to long off of. So a little pat on my back, I guess, for not taking any FOMO trades or revenge trades in the PM session. The only one I saw was this 5-minute right here. It was the highest one, and then there was also a 15-minute up here. So it was that one as well, but we didn't sweep either of them, so I didn't enter anything towards the end of the day. Throughout the day, like this one, I don't even know what this chunk is. What I'm looking at here, I don't know what I was doing. I apologize. But here's equal highs. So I thought there was still a chance that we would take this and go, up to like up here or something, but I guess not. We don't need to be looking at the markets anymore because we're just still going down. And I'm pretty sure we actually just took, we took Sydney. Took this low over here. And it looks like we might be heading towards these lows over here. So this could be a really good setup for tomorrow. That's all I see it as. It's unfortunate we lost so much money today. The account is at $49,115.44. So we have our max drawdown, $2,500. So the max we can go to is $47,500. Yeah, so I'd prefer not to lose more than $1,000 tomorrow. Won't happen. Probably won't happen. So yeah, guys, that being said, Discord's in the description. Hope you enjoyed this. I hope we can kind of bounce back from this over this week as well as next week. I know December's hard. December is really hard for trading. Very bad price action. I mean, just look at this. Right here, we were trying to... Where was I watching? I believe there was like a fair value gap within here somewhere that I was trying to like look at after we swept to take a long, but there was just never anything, so we didn't end up taking anything. Anyways, I hope you guys did better than me. And go ahead and join the Discord. It's in the description. We talk in here almost every day. We literally do talk in here every day. We're at 29 people. My goal is 50. But yeah, guys, I don't charge anything for that. Got a lot of good knowledge in here. It's pretty much, if you want to take my Discord and give it like a description, it's pretty much people that have watched 2022 mentorship from ICT, TJR's trading transformation, as well as his boot camp. And now we're all on like a path to just keep learning more to be able to, I guess, take our own trades and become profitable. So if that interests you at all, to kind of dabble in and share your thoughts in chat, we got trading videos that we post from YouTube in there, just stuff that we kind of see that's like, oh, this is cool. This could be nice to learn from. It looks like we created a shitload of equal lows on ES. So yeah, I'm done for the day. I got an essay, not an essay, my last final exam that I'm working on. I'm just rambling, bro. Just yapping. So a little sick too. But I got my last final that I'm working on right now. It's a data analysis final, so it's taking me like all day. But if I turn it in before 5 p.m. tomorrow, I get 10 extra points, so that's cool. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Good luck tomorrow. CPI. Definitely probably see a video from me. Hopefully it's a one that says how I won or how I made, not how I lost, because today's going to be brutal to post of how I lost $540 in the market. But yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed today's video. Just don't do what I do in revenge trade. My biggest issue that I saw myself doing was just I watched live, I got stopped out, and I can't get out of the market. I just can't see them win and me not when I'm in the exact same trade and I got stopped out because of some bullshit. Because I guess I can't really say that's bullshit because I was following my rules. I mean, that's good if I was on my own live account trading with my own live money, if that was my trade. But it's just hard to, take the same trade as someone else and have the exact same stop loss and stuff. So I guess I need to kind of put the same stop loss as him, and I don't know if you have any tips on that kind of stuff, because some of it still doesn't make too much sense to me. Um, the part where we said that if you put it at liquidity sweeps or highs or lows to invalidate the trade, that makes sense because you're supposed to just let your trade play out. If it doesn't play out, then that's where your stop is, and that's what saves you. So theoretically, that should work more than me taking more risk and getting stopped out because of a losing trade. So if I was, for example, this is making any sense to anyone, but I'm just yapping now because I'm trying to make it make sense to me so that tomorrow or for the future I can keep this in mind. So since this model that, for example, Blake is using, if I copy his trades and he's got a 80% win rate, whatever, then theoretically his trades should be good enough to make me more than if I got stopped out with his stop losses. So if his was here and I got stopped out because it was just a losing trade, maybe I lost $800 instead of $500. But out of that month of me having this funded account, I should be able to make more than that loss. I don't know. It's a freaking 20-minute video. I apologize. Do not watch this whole thing. If you did, I appreciate it. You're crazy. And have a good night. Go golf. I really want to go golf. I might actually do that. Peace. Join the Discord. It's free in the description. Bye.